structure which is connected to a metal strip, and the metal strip is connected to the wire. The wire is connected to the buzzer. The buzzer has a sensor which senses the vibration of the earthquake and it produces sound. So when the earthquake occurs, it shakes and produces sound. This is a model of a seismograph. Seismograph is used to measure the magnitude of the earthquake. So this is the rotating drum. When imagine this is the earth and this is a pen attached within this, and when the earthquake occurs, it shakes and notes the frequency of the earthquake. The output from the seismograph is called the seismogram, and there are two waves, primary wave and the secondary wave. Primary wave is the first wave which is noted on the seismograph, and it is faster than the secondary wave. Secondary wave have more amplitude than the primary wave, and the whole seismograph is placed underground throughout the world, which is connected through a seismographic network.
Model of eclipse. This shows two types of eclipse. When the moon comes between the earth and the sun, it is called solar eclipse, in which we cannot see the sun from the earth. In some places where we can see the sun, there it is called partial solar eclipse. When the earth comes between the moon and the sun, it is called lunar eclipse, in which we cannot see the moon from the earth. It is, thank you.
This is an air pressure experiment. In this experiment, first we have to fill this bottle with full of water, and in this we have to add vinegar and baking soda. When vinegar and baking soda mix, it creates carbon dioxide which compress and flow from this straw inside this bottle. Since it compresses, there is an increase in pressure that creates force, and the force will push the water outside from this straw. So the water will come outside from the straw like this.
Model of radiogram. First we have to keep the mobile device on the top, then it will reflect on the glass and we get a 3D visual. It is used in many places like engineering, medical, science, arts and crafts, and many purposes.
This is some medicine plants. Tulsi is used for fever, cough and antibiotic and dissolving kidney stone. Ajwain is used for lesson graying hair and digestive system. Hibiscus is used for some digestive system, and neem is used for fungal infection and aloe vera is used for face mask, skin, and amla is used for heart, brain and skin also. Thank you, sir.
It is made up of set interlocking steps. A pair of chains and two pair of gear looped around the metal it move the steps. A metal structure and the mechanism connects to the floor. Escalators are many places like mall, airport and railway station. It helps those who are old and those who are walking problems. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. This is a working model of ATM machine. In this, the users use the card to swipe it, and the money come out of this. The user withdraw and transfer the cash to each other. The card goes inside it, and the money is pushed, and the money came out by this. Thank you.
This is our model oil spill remover. Sometimes the ship drawn an oil from it come over the ocean surface, and that is harmful for aquatic animals. To clean that oil, some machines are there, boom and skimmer. This is boom, which work like a barricade. This is skimmer. When this wheel rotate, oil will stick in this, and it will go to this pipe. From this pipeline, it will flow here. Thank you.
The model of windmill. With the help of this fan will blow. This wire is connected into the house. With the help of fan, this light will. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. It's a model to show how the lightning conductor works. So here the lightning needs to get discharged. It finds a medium to where to discharge to get discharged. So it finds the tallest point in that particular area. So there's a lightning conductor. There's a copper wire which is attached to the building, and there's a copper plate which is buried inside the earth. So the lightning goes to the lightning conductor through the copper wire inside the earth, and the building is saved from the lightning. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. This is juice dispenser. When we press the switch, it creates vacuum or low pressure inside the tube, and the pressure and the atmosphere pressure is more than the pressure inside the tube, so that the liquids comes out. Basically, it works on air pressure. Thank you, sir.
Good morning, sir. This is a model of the day and night. The earth has two movements. One is rotation and another is revolution.
In rotation, the earth rotates around its axis. It takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. And in revolution, the earth and the other planets revolve around the sun. It takes 365 days, that is 1 year, to complete one revolution. We all know that sun is the primary source of energy, and this shows the movement of the earth.
The side which faces sun is known as day and the side which away from the sun is known as night. Thank you, sir.
Morning, sir. This is a model of a human kidney and kidney. What we take food, that kidney removes out that waste things such as urine. In the urine, urea, salts, minerals such as phosphorus, that all things in the urine, and it produces an active form of vitamin D that promotes strong, healthy bones, and the blood enters the kidney by the artery of the heart, and this is right kidney and left kidney. The waste things goes from the ureter to the urinary bladder and to the urethra. Good morning, sir. This is a working model by which we can create electricity by burning of waste materials like plastic, paper or rubber. The waste materials are burned in the jar box. The heating sensor observes the heat energy and transport it to the capacitor. The capacitor converts heat energy to electricity and the bulb glows. So there are 3 solar heating panels. It also absorbs heat and store it in the battery. The pollution coming from it is transmitted to the water by the help of this tube, and to purify the water, the stored battery is used and it pumps the motor. By this the water is also getting purified. So by this waste is reduced and electricity is also produced, and there is no harm in the environment.
Good morning, sir. This is a model of human body. After a layer of skin, this is the circulatory system. These are veins, these are arteries. The veins carry impure blood to the heart, then the heart pumps the impure blood to the lungs, then the lungs purifies the blood, and the purified blood is transferred to the heart. Then the heart pumps the purified blood to all the parts of the body. This is the muscular system. With the help of muscles only, we can do each kind of movements in our daily life. Skull, rib cage and hip bone makes the skeletal system of our body. Inside the skull, brain is present. Inside the rib cage, lungs are present. Inside the lungs, 2 large tubes that are known as bronchia are present. Bronchia take air from trachea or windpipe. These 10 branches that came out from bronchies are called bronchioles. These only purify the impure blood that heart transfers to it. Then the purified blood is transferred to the heart through the same canal. This is the digestive system. This is esophagus or food pipe. Liver. Liver controls the chemical level in the blood. This is stomach, pancreas, small intestine, large intestine, anus. These are 2 kidneys. Inside the kidney, millions of filtering units that are called nephrons are present. The urine is transferred to the urine bladder through these thin tubes called ureters. This is the heart. Inside the heart, 4 chambers are present. The upper chambers are called atria. The lower chambers are called ventricles.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, sir. This is is human respiratory system, and we are going to show how our human respiratory system works. So first, when we breathe in, the air from the nostrils passes through a pipe-like structure called windpipe or trachea. It is divided into two branches called bronchi. When the bronchi reaches to the lungs, it further divides into a number of bronchioles. This two balloon indicates the lungs.
Now when we inhale, our ribs move forward and the diaphragm moves downwards and the lungs expands like this. Now opposite of it, when we exhale, our ribs come backwards, diaphragm move upwards and our lungs contracts like this. This generates a pressure, and because of this pressure, the carbon dioxide and other unusual gases are removed out from the lungs through nostrils. This process continues for our entire lifetime. So this is how our respiratory system works. Thank you.
Good morning, sir. This is a mini model of hand sanitizer machine. I am going to turn over with me. Here is a metallic blade and here is a metallic blade. When the upper metallic blade sees the lower metallic blade, the DC motor gets activated. Through the DC motor pulls sanitizer through a syringe tube. One end of the syringe tube is in this bottle, which we fill sanitizer. When we will press, sanitizer comes out. Thank you.
This is Sarvesha from class 7. This model tells us the concept of line segment passing through non-collinear point. Non-collinear point means point that is not in a straight line. As we all know, we need at least 2 points to draw a line segment. Here we have 1 point, so no line segment can be formed. For 2 points, we have only one possibility. One line segment can